Now today we'll discuss about the notochord. In the previous class we had discussed what is gastrulation and how is the primitive stick formed and how this primitive stick form the intraembryonic mesoderm or mesentery. Now this intraembryonic mesoderm is spread between the ectoderm and the endoderm. It is present throughout the region of the embryonic disc except in this region, that is the precaudal plate, the region of the notochord where the notochord will form, and a region that is known as the coracal membrane that is situated caudal to the primitive stick. So in this region there is no intraembryonic mesoderm. Now the notochord. What is notochord? It is a midline embryonic structures. These structures. It is the notochord that develops during the third week of the development. We have discussed what are the structures formed during the third week. One of the structure is the notochord, and this notochord is formed from the cells of the primitive knot. Primitive knot or Hansen's knot. It is the cranial thickened part of this primitive stick. It is the complete primitive stick that becomes the linear structures, and this thickened part, it is the primitive node. And as we discussed, this primitive stick is formed by the epiblast cells, means it is ultimately from the epiblast. These epiblast cells form the primitive sticks. The primitive sticks cranial and thickened to known as the primitive node, and this primitive node proliferate and form this notochord. So ultimately it is the epiblast cells that form this notochord. Now extension. This notochord extends from the cranial end of the primitive stick. This is the cranial end of the primitive stick, that is the primitive node, means it extends from the primitive node up to the caudal part of the procaudal plate. This is the procaudal plate, it is the caudal margin. So from this cranial end to this caudal end, this is the notochord. And this notochord basically is a cellular rod-like structure. And it is a derivative of the mesoderm. Mesoderm. It is present between the ectoderm and the endoderm in the midline from primitive stick to the precaudal plate. Now, how it is formed? The formation of the notochord. There are sequence of events take place in the formation of this notochord. First, the cranial end of this primitive stick thicken, and this is known as the Hansen's knot or primitive knot. Then there is a formation of the depletion. A depression formed in the center of this Hansen's knot or primitive knot. This depression. And this depression is known as the primitive pit or blastopore. A depression. The depression is formed in the center of this primitive knot, and this depression is known as the primitive pit or blastopore. Now, the cells proliferate in the Hansen's knot. Proliferate, multiply in this Hansen's knot, and they move cranially. Moves cranial. This is the cranial end, and this is the caudal end. Should be clear. And these cells move cranially in the midline. In the middle, it is the midline structure, while the intraembryonic mesoderm is spread all around the region. This arrows indicates the spread of the intraembryonic mesoderm, while the notochord is a midline structure between ectoderm and the endoderm. And these cells form a rod-like structure. And this rod-like structure is known as the notochord process or head process. So first, the solid cord-like structure that is formed is known as the notochord process or head process. Now this notochord process that form early, it undergoes a series of changes. We see in this diagram. As a result of which, this notochord process change into the notochord canal, and then it change into the notochord plate. Means this notochord process change into the canal, then into the plate, and again reverse back to form a solid cord-like structure. And that will form, it is known as the definitive notochord. Now in this diagram, this is the embryonic disc, it is the precaudal plate, this is the primitive stick, here it is the cloacal membrane, and this is the notochord process. Now in this diagram, it is the longitudinal axis, and in this diagram it represents on this axis, it is a transverse axis. First, at this axis, the upper layer, it is the embryonic disc. Now it has the 3 layers. This upper layer, it is the ectoderm. This yellow, it is the endoderm, and between this is green structure, it is the intraembryonic mesoderm. Now this solid structures, it is formed, it is the notochord process. This notochord process. How it is formed? In this diagram. This is the ectoderm, below it is the endoderm. This region, it is the precaudal plate. The precaudal plate, remember, in between the precaudal plate region there is no mesoderm is present. It is the ectoderm fused with the endoderm. Same behind the primitive stick. This is the cloacal membrane region where the ectoderm fused with the endoderm. There is no intraembryonic mesoderm is present. Now this is the primitive stick. This primitive stick, cranial end thickened, it is the primitive knot, and there is a depression. This depression is known as the primitive pit or the blastopore. Now the cells proliferate and they move cranially. So this is the notochord process. Now in further changes, this cavity of the primitive pit or the blastocore extend into this notochord process. This cavity extend. This cavity is extending, as a result of which this solid notochord process change into the notochord canal. Initially it was solid structures, then it changed into the canal. How? This is due to the extension of the cavity of this blastocore.